Hey gang, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna do some bourbon bacon barbecue chicken. And just went and got, a small pack of your boneless, skinless chicken breast, a little small pack of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, just pound of bacon, what have you. And for the sauce, we're gonna actually put some bourbon into the just off-the-shelf barbecue sauce. And then I've got a little recipe. What we're going to do, we're going to break out the Ninja food processor, put some brown sugar and some little spices and that in there, mix it up, and we're going to coat the chicken with that before we throw it on the grill. But let's get all this opened up and let's see what we got, y'all. We'll be back in a second. All right, we got our chicken opened up and cleaned up and everything, putting our pan there. This paste to cover the chicken with before we grill it, y'all, it's pretty simple. I've never tried it before, so it'll be first time, for me and y'all, I guess. And 6-7 slices of bacon, uncooked and chopped, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then of course your chicken. And we're just gonna put a 1/4 cup of bourbon into the barbecue sauce and mix that up, and we're gonna put that on at the end of the cook. Let's see if we can get this junk kind of chopped up here. Let's see how they look, y'all. Oh yeah, man, it smells pretty good. Check that out. Just like a little paste is all it is. So alright, so we got that did. I got the grill, well, my charcoal chimney's lit and waiting for it to come up to temp. I just went with a little bit of benchmark. Little benchmark bourbon there, y'all. So you know what that means, right? On moonshine. Back in the day, huh? We're gonna have a little taste of this. We're gonna put some in the sauce, but we're gonna get a little of that sauce ourselves. Yowza. Pretty good stuff. Alright, no goofing around. We'll be back, y'all. Alright, y'all. We got our paste put in our bowl here. And just for good measure, we're going to hit that chicken with a little bit of this Fiesta chicken rub, y'all. Pretty good stuff, man. Just for good measure. Put a little bit of that on all this stuff, y'all. This chicken turned around and some of this paste stuff here. I don't know, gang. Might have to adjust this. Alright, gang. I got it figured out. Now I added a little olive oil to kind of thin this mixture out a little bit. It's the last one here. Just kind of take and smear it around on the chicken like that. See, both sides. So we can do that. Improvise a little bit. Recipe's just a guideline, y'all. Okay, we've had the chicken on about 10 minutes. We're running about 325, y'all. Let's see. Oh yeah, baby, that looks all right, y'all. All right, we're gonna put about another 10. We'll come back and check it. All right, gang, chicken's looking pretty good out there. It's still rolling while the chicken's cooking. We're gonna make some southern fried corn. If y'all never had that, pretty simple dish to make. Alright, gang, Miss Cary's doing us some homemade tater salad, and as soon as she slides out the way there, we're going to show y'all our little corn. Let's see if we can zoom up on this a little bit. Now we got our bacon rendered down, guys, and we put our corn in here. We're going to cook our corn, fry our corn in this bacon grease. Huh? Does that sound good or what? It must be bacon day at the Roadhouse. But anywho, we got that going. We'll let this fry down a little bit. Then we're gonna add a little shot of salt, fresh ground black pepper, and a little heavy cream. And we're gonna add the bacon back in at the end, y'all. So we'll get that going. Let this get happy a little while, and we'll be back. All right, y'all, we got corn going inside. Let's see how we're doing. We're still about 300, 325. Oh, Yeah, man, that's looking good. Can y'all see that? This stuff is looking pretty good, y'all. Check that out. Yeah, baby. Let's check the temp on this stuff, see how we doing. I'm about to flip it over and let the other side get a little bit on it. Yeah, we close, y'all. We're about 160 right there. Yeah. Yes, sir. 170 on the small pieces. Alright, let me flip this junk over, y'all. Let me give it a few minutes on the other side and we'll be back. Alright, gang, we got our chicken flip. Boy, y'all check this stuff out, man. That looks nice, yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Oh yeah, baby. The new grate and the searing grate, you can take the center out. That's pretty neat too, y'all. One of my subscribers asked me where I found it at. And I actually found it on Amazon. About 60 bucks, y'all. And I love it, man. Porcelain coated steel. Easy clean up. This thing rocks. So let's go inside and make our barbecue sauce and we'll be back. Alright, y'all. Corn still frying a little bit. Chicken's right at done. Took 1 cup of Sweet Baby Ray's original barbecue sauce. 1/4 cup of our benchmark bourbon. Y'all use what kind of sauce you like. Y'all use what kind of bourbon you like there. We gotta see how this is. I've never done this before with barbecue sauce. Let's see what we got. Oh man, y'all, that's really good. Of course the sauce is good, you know that, but that bourbon, boy, that adds a little something to it. Kind of like the Jack Daniel's wood chips. You know, it's got that little whiskey flavor to it. That's really good, y'all. So let's go outside and salsa some chicken and we'll be back. Alright, gang. Corn still frying down. We'll flip this chicken. We'll put a little glaze on it, y'all. And chicken's done, man. We just need to finish glazing the other side. Gonna be good stuff, y'all. I'm gonna let this glaze up about another 5 minutes, y'all. I'm gonna pull it off. Should be good to go. And we'll check back in about 5 minutes. All right, corn looks pretty good. Browned a little bit. And what we're gonna do at this point, y'all, we're gonna put just a little bit of salt because that bacon grease got some salt there. Hit it with a little fresh cracked black pepper. Season to how you like it. And get that all stirred in. And we're gonna add a little bit of heavy cream. And that's just gonna thicken it up a little bit. So just get it to the consistency you like, guys. And we're gonna add the bacon back in at the end. Alright, we'll let this thicken up a bit. Get it how we like it. And we'll check on it in a minute, y'all. Okay, we got our corn to consistency we like. We'll drop our heat down to low. Look at that, boy. We'll put that bacon back in there. Yeah, baby. Stir all that back in. Yeah, and that, my friends, is southern fried corn. And the corn I just used like a couple of the little frozen 8-ounce, 10-ounce bags, whatever. Just use that. It's really good if you use a fresh corn, just slice it off the cob, but for time's sake today we just did it like that. So alright, that's rolling. We're finna go pull this chicken off the grill, y'all, and we'll be back. Alright, we got the chicken pulled off. Tell y'all what, it smells fantastic, man. We're gonna plate up. We're waiting on tater salad to get finished, and so corn's done. I'm gonna throw some garlic bread on the grill while it's still hot right quick. And we're gonna get us a plate, and we're gonna see how this junk came out, y'all. So y'all hang in there. We'll be back in a few. All right, gang, y'all welcome back. We plated up, y'all. Let's try this southern fried corn. See how we did. Y'all hear Gizmo in the background. He wants some of that. Y'all, that's good. You can't go wrong with bacon. Nice flavor. Nice flavor. Cream adds just a little hint of sweetness with the corn's natural sweetness. Okay. Let's get a little dig of this tater salad. That is the best. Good job, babe.
Thanks.
Now let's try a piece of this chicken, y'all. Came out really nice. Really nice. Let's give her a try and see how we did, y'all. Dogs are trying to get a little snack over there. Y'all behave. We're coming. Cheers, everybody. Honest opinion, y'all, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. I did have to add a little olive oil to the paste we made with the seasonings and the chopped up bacon and stuff. That's not bad though. I figured to have a little more kick than that. And as far as the sauce, you barely, if you taste any hint of the bourbon in there. Man, that's good, y'all. That is really good. So, all right, well, we're gonna get out of here. I'm going to eat, and appreciate y'all coming by. We have more videos on the way, and say I upload every Saturday. But y'all have a good night, and comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all next week. Bye bye.